Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today's video is on French homophones. So let's get started. In French, homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. Now, let's see this homophone. Mère and mère. They sound similar, but they have different meanings. Mère means sea and mère means mother. For example, la mer est belle, mais ma mère préfère la montagne. Look at these homophones. There, and where. They sound similar, but they have different meanings. Where means warm. There means towards or lines of poetry. There means green. There means glass. Here are the examples. Le verre rampe vers le verre vert. Ou and ou. They also sound similar, but they have different meanings. Ou means or and ou means where. Here are the examples for ou. Tu veux du thé ou du café? Où est la tasse? Sans and sans sound the same, but they have different meanings. Sans means blood and sans means without. Here are the examples for sans. Il est blessé. Il perd du sang. Il est parti sans son manteau. Ce and ce also sound the same, but they also have different meanings. Ce means this or that. Ce is a reflexive pronoun like himself or herself. Here are the examples for ce. Ce livre est intéressant. Il se lave les mains. A and A sound similar, but they have different meanings. A means and A means is. For example, Paul et Marie sont là. Marie est gentille. La and la. They also sound the same, but they have different meanings. La means the and la means there. For example, la voiture est là. Mais and may. These words sound similar, but they have different meanings. May means but. May means my. May means dishes or I put. May means puts. For example, mais où sont mes? Mais. Il les met sur la table. Son and son. They sound similar, but they also have different meanings. Son means his, her, or its. Son means our. For example, son frère et sa sœur sont gentils. A and a sound similar, but they have different meanings. A is the verb has. A means to, at, or in. For example, il a un stylo à billes. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir, bye.